In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best magnet generators available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the magnet generators mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, SMARAAD 5000W Horizontal Wind Turbine Generator. The SMARAAD 5000W wind turbine ensures long service life and stability, making it ideal for off-grid energy solutions. It supports multiple countries' inverters and can be customized with logos and power needs. Delivering up to 5000 W, it provides high power output for various applications. Its advanced engineering enhances efficiency, making it a reliable renewable energy option. Perfect for those seeking sustainable and independent energy sources. Now available at a 49% discount. Number 4, 4-6 kW Gearless Permanent Magnet AC Alternators. This Gearless Permanent Magnet AC Alternator is CE certified and designed for efficient wind, water, and diesel energy conversion. Built with an iron shaft for durability, it ensures long-lasting performance. Offering high-rated power, it maximizes energy output while maintaining stability. Whether for wind power generators or other renewable energy applications, this alternator is an excellent choice. Its gearless design reduces maintenance, ensuring smooth operation. Get it now with a massive 49% discount for a limited time. Number 3, Low-Speed Permanent Magnet Generator. Designed for wind turbines and motor drives, this low-speed permanent magnet generator features an innovative ring power output system for enhanced efficiency. Its patented alternator and stator design ensure high reliability and durability. With power options ranging from 5 kW to 20 kW and voltage selections from 24V to 380V, it adapts to diverse energy needs. Ideal for renewable energy solutions, this generator delivers consistent and efficient power generation. Take advantage of the 40% discount now. Number 2, 6000W Low-Speed 500 RPM Permanent Magnet Generator. This 6000W low-speed permanent magnet generator is ideal for wind power generation, offering a flexible, customizable design. Manufactured in China, it comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring protection against defects. With high efficiency in 4 kW, 5 kW, and 6 kW power outputs, it supports multiple voltage options like 12V, 24V, and 48V. Its low RPM operation enhances stability, making it a great choice for renewable energy projects. Get it now with an exclusive 51% discount. Number 1, Maglev Permanent Magnet Generator Turbine. The Maglev Permanent Magnet Generator is a top choice for water conservancy and wind energy projects. Featuring low mechanical resistance and precise coil technology, it ensures maximum efficiency. Its gearless, direct drive design enables low RPM power generation, increasing durability and reliability. With an 8 times longer lifespan than traditional motors, this turbine is built for long-term sustainability. Ideal for those seeking a high-performance renewable energy solution. Available now with a 20% discount.